Alright guys, here's the strangest thing a PSP7 spirit box has ever done. It's paranormal. See that? Are you hearing that? Listen to those clicks. I just finished a ghost box session. You hear those clicks? I just did a extentation session. You hear that? Do you hear that? Coming through the speaker still. Watch this. Remove the battery. One battery out. Still clicking. Okay, remove the other battery out. Still clicking. Remove the other battery out. Still clicking. Oh my gosh. It's a ghost. Isn't it? Nah, it's your battery. You hear it? Yeah, the battery's exploding. Acid. I'm just showing you this, that your paranormal equipment is not haunted. Your batteries are blowing up. Acid. You hear it? Now, what causes that? Oh my gosh, it's a ghost. Yeah, just wanted to teach you that. And look, see the acid? I gotta clean that out now. See that? Nasty. I gotta clean that out, thanks to this little battery. Some of these batteries, when they die, they explode. Do you know why that is? You know how ghosts are causing it? Listen to it. Click, click, click. It's a little secret. I'm not going to tell you. I'll just tell you that it is ghosts that are doing it. Something to do with ions. No more clicking. Ah. The haunting has stopped. Interesting, huh? Anyway, this is just a little tease video for you. How your paranormal equipment can get drained. And that's how you stop your PSP7 spirit box from getting haunted. Remove the batteries. Tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap. No more acid leak. I do have to clean it out. You know, like Slimer from the Ghostbusters? Slimes everything? Yeah, well, ghosts can also slime things. Now, if I could only find the other battery. There we go. And now you know why your equipment is haunted, especially your PSP7 spirit box. What is those clicks? I just wanted you to teach you that, so that you don't confuse the little clicks. Oh my gosh, I heard 3 knocks on the wall. The spirit's talking to me. It might be your batteries on your paranormal equipment. And I just told you how to stop it. Especially when they're low on power. Can't teach you everything. I'm not going to go into the science of it. It would take hours of lessons. Let's turn it on. Oh, it's still working. Yeah, it's working. 1 bar. See that? Let's scan it. Fastest rate possible. Just a little test to see if any ghosts will still come through after the acid leak. Battery acid. plug it in. There's two ports. This port, high volume, low volume. And these little things, see these? 1, 2. Sorry, I have battery acid on my fingers. Yeah. 1, 2. Go learn 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. There's different effects. And copper or this one. Alright. Just a few little tips for you to go and study. I can't teach you everything. Just give you tips. My channel's about tips. Lower volume, higher volume. And that's how you stop your paranormal equipment from being haunted. It's your batteries that are clicking, not the ghosts on the wall. Got a little Sony speaker here. It's loud. I want it to get loud. Let's turn it on. I'm scanning at FM, 100 milliseconds. Just a test. After a battery acid leak, will a ghost talk through it? And the Paranormal Busters mod, how do you do this? This gives you better results. You take the PSP7 Spirit Box apart. Go watch my other videos on how to do a Paranormal Busters mod. You wrap this wire, simple audio wire, copper. Make sure it's copper. Cheapest possible. Copper, and wrap the wire around the AM antenna. Close it back up, and you're good to go. Make sure it doesn't come loose. You gotta hot glue it in there. The hot glue helps conduct audio, electricity. Another little tip for you. Don't leave it out in the sun. It'll melt your plastic. And then you can plug anything you want into here. Ghost apps to help the PSP7 Spirit Box. You just created an AM amplitude portal gap. I call it Paranormal Busters mod. We're getting some ghosts on the FM scan after a battery acid leak. What do they want to say? Oh my gosh, it's ghosts again. Nope. Your cell phone. Put it on airplane mode. Take it off airplane mode. Oh, damn. Did you see that? When you put a cell phone near the PSP7 Spirit Box, you are literally connecting the PSP7 Spirit Box scanner to the cell phone, which is connected to the cell phone tower. Now your PSP7 Spirit Box just became a PSP7 cell phone tower pickup. Literally a phone call to the dead. That's how I get success on my sessions with this mod, which increases the scan. What's with the scanning? Jumping station to station increases amplitude pickup, greater pickup. When a spark jumps from one side to the other, it gets stronger. And the AM antenna picks up even more ghost voices. So instead of picking up a little bit, it's picking up a whole lot of it. Understood? It's a simple little trick, scientific trick. It's called a spark gap scanner. It's already scanning. You just give it a spark gap. Very simple. Paranormal Busters mod. Now, a little test. Is it still working after the battery acid leak? I just taught you that. Go try it. You'll get better sessions. We're doing the FM session. Just a little test. Just to see if any ghosts are here. There is, because I always fool around scientific equipment and paranormal equipment. Let's turn up the volume a little bit. Hello, is anybody here? Hello? Are you there? Okay. Let's shut it off. Why did I shut it off? People scan on FM to prove their point that how did a ghost come through when it's scanning radio stations so fast? Wow, right? Well, that's not helping you much. If you really want to hear ghosts, scan it on AM because the human voice is basically, scientific terms, go study it, AM amplitude. So let's scan it on AM. You heard FM. They do come through on Damn, that's loud. They do come through on FM, but it's like, hello, how are you? Right? If you really want to hear them, AM. So AM, and then scan it because my PSP7 Spirit Box has a spark gap mod, Paranormal Busters mod. Watch my other videos how to do that. I'll show you how, and you can use it anytime you want. Just mention Paranormal Busters mod. That's all I want to hear. Okay, we're on AM, and we're sweeping. Select. I get really good results at 400, which gives you 4 to 5 words. 500. Every 100th scan, you'll pick up radio bleed. Every 100th scan, but with 500 milliseconds on spark gap, you'll pick up ghosts. Just like that. Easy. It's technology. It's the way of the future. Give it a few years. We're going to hear ghosts and see them live. Through paranormal companies inventing new ways. People like me. Hello? 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 How you doing? Yeah? What? Are we learning? Now let's let the ghosts talk. I'm not even going to talk. The rest of this video, I'm just going to let the ghosts speak away. Yeah, I understand. Nothing, right? It's coming through. Really good. Real ghosts. Now watch this. Cell phone? How you doing? Airplane mode. Yeah, what's up? Airplane mode. Whoa. How you doing? Watch cell phone call to the dead. Remove airplane mode. Balance the signal. Remove a little bit spark gap. Remove it a little bit apart. Just like this. Spark gap, spark gap. Now you're literally calling the dead. How you doing? See how good that got? You just seen that. Paranormal Busters. Yeah. Mod. That's how you do things to get better results. Try this yourself. Then you tell me if it's working or not. Cell phone call to the dead. I just taught you how to do it. Brought to you by Paranormal Busters.